Hey guys, so how are we doing today? This is another amazing episode on our YouTube Creator Academy. For those of you who want to learn how to get monetized on YouTube, particularly business owners, experts, consultants, companies, and so much more. Or maybe you're just a freelancer or an individual who is looking for ways they can succeed on YouTube. So you could learn one or two things by following our playlist or this series on YouTube monetization, particularly for content creators. Okay, so for this episode, I'm going to show you how much I made for just 1,000 views on a particular video. So this is basically going to cover the RPM for a particular video. So do well to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content to teach you how to monetize your YouTube channel. So before I show you how much I made for just 1K views on a particular video, there's something I actually discovered. Most of this RPM is not just across all videos on your channel, because sometimes a particular video might have a lower RPM or a lower revenue per 1K views compared to other ones. So don't think, let's say, because a particular video has an RPM of maybe, let's say, $6 for every 1,000 views, it means every other video on that channel has that same revenue structure. That is a wrong idea. Okay, so it varies depending on the content and some other factors on YouTube. So let's get started. Let's launch the YouTube Studio app, YT Studio. I'm going to make it to content. So I click on content at the bottom. Okay, so this is the new YouTube Studio content page. This is how it's been arranged currently. So I just uploaded the new shots not too long. These are some paid content you could see up there. Okay, so along the video line, I'm going to click on view all. Okay, so these are some scheduled contents. Okay, so I'm going to show you, let's use this particular one. I think it should be up to 1K views by now. So this one, how to buy TikTok coins from Google. So click on it. Okay, next we're going to click on video performance. You could see other metrics there. All right, so next we're going to go to revenue. Okay, so you can see that I've made up to $7.46 for 1K views. But I'm going to give you the specific data. Okay, so this is how much advertisers pay for 1K view. About $18.59 US. Yeah, so I think my RPM should be around here. So you could see revenue for every 1K view, RPM is $7.69 US. Okay, so we could click on it. So this is how much. I believe this is a fair deal. Let me use that word. This is a fair deal, actually. Then do well to visit other videos where we're going to be teaching you some strategies that we use to grow our YouTube channel. All right. So make sure you visit our Creator Academy. What we did was to focus more on helping business owners, consultants, experts. Yeah, but this is open to everyone. So at this early stage, you want to learn, you want to hear how different persons are succeeding on YouTube so that you know what to combine, what to take in, what to prioritize in your own personal journey. So basically, you need all this information in order for you to figure out how best you can support your growth on YouTube. So to meet again, to see you in our next video, do well to visit the description section of this video to get more content like this. But before you go, do well to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've not subscribed. So see ya and bye guys. Cheers.